Surah Al-Kafirun, the disbelievers. This surah is Meccan, containing one section and 6 verses.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the infinitely gracious, the most merciful.
قل يا أيها الكافرون.
Say, O disbelievers,
لا أعبد ما تعبدون.
I do not worship that which you worship,
ولا أنتم عابدون ما أعبد.
and you will not worship the one whom I worship,
ولا أنا عابد ما عبدتم.
and I will not worship that which you have worshipped,
ولا أنتم عابدون ما أعبد.
and you will not worship the one whom I worship.
لكم دينكم ولي دين.
Your religion is for you, and my religion is for me.